How to save replays in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile here at the top right. Then go to settings right here. Once you're there, click on this icon at the top. Then scroll down till you see the replay section and make sure that the record replays is turned on. And you could also turn on the record large team replays if you want, and also the creative replays. And you could also enable the high quality replays if you want to, but for me, I'm gonna go with the default one. So once record replays is turned on, you can go back to the menu, then click on career here at the top. Then at the bottom right, you will see the replays button. Simply click on that. And here you will see all of the games that you've played. And these are the games that I have played. But for me, let's say I want to save this replay. So simply click on that replay. You could also play or watch it first before you save it. But for me, I'm going to save it. So just simply click on rename and save. And you're just going to set it the name. So let's say I'm going to set it to test right here. So test, click on confirm. And now as you can see, you have saved your replay, and just simply click on the open replay folder to show the replays that you have. So this is the replay that we have. So which means that we now have saved the replay and it will not expire here on the Fortnite replay section or the replay page. So you could also play it if you want, but that's how you basically save your replays in Fortnite.